two types of Korean numbers, the native Korean numbers and the Sino-Korean numbers. Native Korean numbers usually used for counting age and time, specifically by hours, and numbers 1 to 99 only. And the Sino-Korean numbers usually used for dates, money, addresses, phone numbers, time specifically by minutes and seconds, numbers 100 and above. Let's begin counting for the native Korean numbers. 1 is hana, hana. 2, dol or tul, dol, tul. 3, set, set. 4, net, net. 5, dasot or tasot, dasot, tasot. 6, yosot, yosot. 7, ilgop, ilgop. 8, yodol, yodol. 9, ahop, ahop. 10, yol, yol. 20, semul, semul. 30, soren, soren. 40. If you read this one, you will pronounce this as mahun, mahun. But the proper pronunciation of this is maun, maun. 50. Also in this one, if you read this, you will pronounce this as swin, swin. But the proper pronunciation of this is shin, shin. 60, yesun, yesun. 70. Also in this one, if you read this, it will pronounce as ilhen, ilhen. But the proper pronunciation is iren, iren. 80, yoden, yoden. 90, ahun, ahun. That's all for the native Korean numbers. So let's try to count again. Hana, dul, set, net, tasot, yusot, ilgop, yodol, ahop, yol. Semul, soren, maen, shin, yesun, iren, yoden, ahun. That's it for the native Korean numbers. So now, let's proceed to Sino-Korean numbers. 0, kong, kong. 1, il, il. 2, i, i. 3, sam, sam. 4, sa, sa. 5, o, o. 6, yuk, yuk. 7, chil, chil. 8, pal, pal. 9, ko, ko. 10, ship, ship. 20, e-ship, e-ship. 30, some ship, some ship. 40, sa ship, sa ship. 50, o ship, o ship. 60, yuk ship, yuk ship. 70, chill ship, chill ship. 80,
Palship, Palship. 90. Koship, Koship. 100. Pek, Pek. 1,000. Chon, Chon. 10,000. Man, Man. 100,000. Shipman, Shipman. 1,000,000. If you read this one, this is Pekman, but the proper pronunciation is Pengman, Pengman. 10,000,000. There is another irregularities in this one. If you read this, it will be pronounced as Chonman, but the proper pronunciation is Chomman, Chomman. 100,000,000. Ok, Ok. 1,000,000,000. Shibok, Shibok. That's all for the Sino-Korean numbers. Let's start counting again. Il, I, Sam, Sa, O, Yuk, Chil, Pal, Ko, Ship. I-ship, Sam-ship, Sa-ship, O-ship, Yuk-ship, Chil-ship, Pal-ship, Ko-ship. Pek, Chon, Man, Shipman, Pengman, Chomman, Ok, Shibok. That's all for the Sino-Korean numbers and the native Korean numbers. As you observe, there are words written and pronounced differently. These are called consonant irregularities. We will tackle these consonant irregularities to my next videos, so please subscribe for you to be updated. Thank you!